My video is about removing the online scam that is related to the site Maritus.click. Some people see these strange pop-ups by Maritus.click. Keep in mind that these pop-ups are definitely faulty and truly deceptive. You should not tolerate them. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be easily related to some adware in your computer. If you ever see these pop-ups by Maritus.click, don't trust them. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. So don't trust these pop-ups, don't install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. Just leave this page, and we also recommend investigating your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com and download the application, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.